You've probably heard developers say things like, oh yeah, it's a REST API, as if that automatically makes sense. And you're sitting there like, cool, but what is that exactly? All right, let's break it down. We already know what an API is. It's how two systems talk to each other. But REST, that stands for Representational State Transfer. Yeah, fancy name. But it's really just a set of rules for how those systems should communicate over the web. Think of REST as good manners for APIs. It says, hey, if you're going to exchange data online, do it in a clean, predictable, and organized way. Most REST APIs use HTTP, the same thing your browser uses when you visit a website. That's why REST APIs are everywhere. They run on the same foundation as the web itself. Now, REST APIs rely on a few key actions. You've probably seen these: get, post, put, delete. They sound technical, but they're basically the verbs of the internet. Get means fetch some data. Post means create something new. Put means update something. Delete, well, you can guess that one. So, when your app asks a server for your messages, that's a GET request. When you send a new one, post. And if you edit or delete it, put or delete. REST APIs also have another rule: keep things stateless. That means each request stands on its own. The server doesn't remember who you are between calls. Every time your app talks to it, it's like starting a fresh conversation. Sounds simple, but that simplicity is what makes REST powerful. It's flexible, scalable, and easy for developers to understand. That's why nearly every app, from Instagram to Spotify, uses REST APIs somewhere under the hood, because they make the web work together. So yeah, when someone says we're calling a REST API, what they really mean is we're following the rules that make digital conversations smooth and reliable. Behind every button you tap, every update you see, and every sync that just works, there's probably a REST API quietly doing its job, one request at a time.